Okay, so for today, let's have po cube of a binomial. Sorry, cube of a binomial. So, yung cube of a binomial po natin. So, for example, meron tayong a plus b cube. Okay, so, pina-follow lang nyo yung pattern natin. So, yung a and b, i-cube lang natin ng separate. A cube, b cube. Okay, so, tapos, meron tayong dalawang term po sa gitna. Okay, yung two terms natin, both of it will be multiplied with 3. Tapos, yung first term is squared nyo lang. And then, multiplied with b. Okay. Tapos, yung padalawa, ganun lang ulit. Times ulit sa 3. Tapos, copy a. And then, yung b naman, yung e, squared natin. So, since that is plus, plus po lahat ng ating, or I mean, positive po lahat. Okay. So, again, 3 times a squared b. So, kung naka-squared to, dun sa padalawang term niya, mamove lang po siya dun sa kabila. Mapunta naman siya dun sa second term natin. Then, multiply lang ulit. 3ab squared plus b cube. Okay, kapag minus naman, magiging alternate po yung sign natin. So, ganun pa din, a cube. So, positive, negative, positive. Ay, sorry. This is 3ab squared, negative, b cube. Okay, so kapag negative po, positive, negative, positive, negative. Alternately. Okay, so lagyan natin ang numbers. Example, x plus 2 cube. Okay, so again, yung x natin, yan yung ating a, and then yung ating 2, that will be your b. Okay, so a cube, x cube, plus 3a na x, squared daw po, multiplied with b, so times 2, plus 3 multiplied with a. Okay, and then multiplied with 2, yung 2 naman yung naka-squared, plus cube ng ating second term, 2 cube. Then simplify natin, so we get x cube plus 3 times 2, 6x squared, 3 times 2 squared. Okay, so 2 squared natin is 4. 3 times 4, 12. Copy x. Plus 2 cube. That is 8. Okay, ganun lang. Okay, another one. Example, 3 minus x cube. Okay, so again, 3 yung a natin. Itong x yung b natin. Okay, so 3 cube minus 3 first term a, first term na a yung 3 natin, then squared second term x plus negative, positive, negative, positive, 3 a b squared, so that will be x squared, then last term i-cube x cube. 3 cube, that is 27, minus 3 squared, that is 9. So, negative 3 times 9, negative 27x. 3 times 3, 9. X squared. Negative x cube. Ayan, ganyan na po. Follow lang ito ang a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cube. So, agad pareho po siya naka-times 3. And then, e squared nyo yung first, multiply with b. Ay, doon sa padalawa naman, ito yung squared nyo, multiplied with a. Thank you, guys!